In today's digital-driven world, the landscape of marketing has undergone a profound transformation. Gone are the days when people would venture out to physical stores to make their purchases. Now, with the ever-increasing prevalence of the internet, a vast majority of consumers turn to online platforms to fulfill their shopping needs, be it for festive occasions, weddings, or everyday desires. This shift in consumer behavior has had a significant impact on businesses, leading many traditional brick-and-mortar stores to shut down as a result of the rise of online shopping platforms. To combat this challenge, businesses are now embracing a powerful solution: digital marketing. This innovative approach to marketing leverages the power of the internet, computers, and electronic devices to connect with a vast audience in a remarkably short span of time. This method of online marketing, also known as digital marketing, enables companies to effectively promote their products and services, reaching their target customers with ease. Understanding the essence of digital marketing. Digital marketing is the art of utilizing digital technologies, such as the internet, computers, and electronic devices, to market and promote products or services. Through this approach, companies can efficiently connect with their target customers, delivering their message and offerings in a timely and cost-effective manner. In the past, businesses would rely on traditional marketing methods, such as large posters, banners, and pamphlets, to advertise their products and reach potential customers. However, in today's digital age, the majority of individuals, particularly the younger generation, are spending an increasing amount of time on various online platforms, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, and a multitude of specialized applications. This shift in consumer behavior has prompted companies to shift their marketing strategies towards the digital realm, leveraging the same platforms and channels where their target audience is actively engaged. The compelling reasons behind the rise of digital marketing. The growing demand for digital marketing can be attributed to several key factors. Firstly, digital marketing offers a cost-effective solution for businesses to reach a wider audience compared to traditional offline marketing methods. By utilizing digital platforms, companies can connect with customers across the globe, often at a fraction of the cost required for traditional advertising campaigns. Additionally, the digital landscape has transformed the way consumers interact with brands and make purchasing decisions. In the past, individuals would visit physical marketplaces to browse and purchase products. However, today, consumers can easily access a vast array of products and services from the comfort of their homes, using their smartphones or computers to shop online. This convenience has led to a significant increase in online shopping, making digital marketing a crucial component for businesses to effectively reach and engage with their target audience. Furthermore, digital marketing provides businesses with valuable insights and data that can be leveraged to refine their marketing strategies and better understand their customers' preferences and behaviors. By analyzing the performance of their digital marketing campaigns, companies can make data-driven decisions to optimize their efforts and achieve greater success. Unlocking the power of digital marketing, strategies and tactics. To harness the full potential of digital marketing, businesses can employ a variety of strategies and tactics. Here are some of the key approaches that can be utilized. Blogging. Blogging is an excellent and effective way to engage in digital marketing. By creating a company-branded blog, businesses can share information about their services, products, and industry insights. Whenever a new product is launched, the details can be seamlessly integrated into the blog, attracting and engaging a wide audience. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable, informative, and engaging content related to a company's products or services. This can be in the form of written articles, videos, or multimedia presentations that provide customers with useful information. By crafting content that resonates with the target audience, businesses can enhance their brand's reputation, increase customer loyalty, and drive more sales. Search engine optimization, SEO. If your goal is to attract a significant amount of organic traffic to your blog or website, having a strong understanding of search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial. When users search for information on search engines like Google, the platform aims to provide the most relevant and useful results. By optimizing your website and content according to SEO best practices, you can improve your visibility in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to discover your business. Social media marketing. Social media platforms have become an integral part of digital marketing. Businesses can leverage various social media channels, such as Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, to promote their products, services, and brand. By engaging with customers, sharing relevant content, and running targeted advertising campaigns, companies can effectively reach and connect with their target audience on social media. Google Ads. Google Ads, a web-based advertising service, allows businesses to create and display advertisements on the Google search engine and its partner websites. This platform enables companies to target specific keywords, demographics, and locations, ensuring their ads are shown to the most relevant audience. By utilizing Google Ads, businesses can effectively promote their products and services, driving more traffic and potential customers to their websites or online platforms. App marketing. In the digital age, many companies are developing their own mobile applications to reach and engage with their customers. App marketing is an excellent digital marketing strategy, as a significant portion of the population now uses various apps on their smartphones. By creating and promoting their own mobile applications, businesses can effectively showcase their products, services, and offerings to a vast audience, ultimately driving more sales and brand awareness. YouTube channel marketing. YouTube, the second largest search engine after Google, is a powerful platform for digital marketing. Businesses can create and upload video content that showcases their products, services, or industry expertise. These videos can then be promoted through the platform, allowing companies to reach a wide audience and effectively market their offerings. Email marketing. Email marketing remains a highly effective digital marketing strategy. By sending targeted emails to customers, businesses can provide detailed information about their products, special offers, and promotions. These emails often include direct links to the company's website, making it easy for customers to access and purchase the featured items. Embracing the digital marketing advantage. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, digital marketing has become a crucial tool for companies of all sizes to reach and engage with their target audience. By leveraging the various strategies and tactics outlined, businesses can effectively promote their products and services, ultimately driving increased sales, brand recognition, and long-term success. Whether you're a small local enterprise or a large multinational corporation, the power of digital marketing can be harnessed to propel your business forward. By staying informed, adapting to the changing trends, and continuously optimizing your digital marketing efforts, you can unlock a world of opportunities and position your business for sustained growth in the digital age. Thank you for watching. If you found this video on unlocking the power of digital marketing strategies and tactics helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Smansatech for more insightful videos on digital marketing and tech tips. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.